only have one magazine.
Alright, there we go. Alright, now everyone take a kneel. No, Logan, you're squad leader right now. Talk.
But I wanted to crouch.
Alright guys.
Alright, so
We're against the terrorists right now. I got word from HQ. We got multiple tangos headed, what is that, east? They're gonna try to get to our, they're gonna try to kill us all fucking basically, okay? So, I mean, do you guys wanna go home and fuck your wife and son? I mean,
I always go home and fuck my son, but you know.
Can I go around? Just kidding.
Yeah, I thought this would be a little easier. Oh, fucking sinkhole right there.
Do a little jog. Keep going. He's covering our 6.
Going right.
Copy.
Contact, top hill.
Oh, fuck. Mike, cover me. Push it up. Huh?
I guess we are too. So they see us. They definitely see us.
Stack up.
Oh, LMG shooting. Putting on covering fire.
Medic, down. LMG shooting down. He's downwind too. Oh shit, safety.
Oh, mine are definitely going that far.
I don't think mine are. Push up a little bit. I didn't see any. See any?
They're on the ground, all on the hill.
Oh, fucking A. Is this King of the Hill?
I think they might think we're playing King of the Hill.
Hey, where's our medic?
Right here.
Looks like LMG's setting up here in a second. Copy.
Coming around, they're coming around.
Hey, I'm taking point up there. Win, conserve your ammo. Hey, they coming down that wash?
Yeah, they're coming down this wash right here. I'm reloading really fast.
Copy, hurry.
One of theirs is down.
What?
One of theirs is down. He's heading back to respawn.
Medic!
Medic!
Medic! Blue shirt, blue shirt! That way, that way.
I can't cross.
You can't? Here. Where they at?
That wash, as far as I know, up top.
What?
As far as I know, they're up top.
They're still in that wash? Hey, I'm with the group leader. What's your call sign?
Fenrir.
Fenrir.
Alright,
Copy. Moving up on the wash.
more up on that hill still, maybe 3. I thought we go this way.
Okay, push it
They
up a
might be
little.
trying to come over this hill too.
Okay. We got some good cover right here, so as long as we don't trip. Fuck. Hey, what's medic's call sign?
Blackbeard.
Foxbeard or Blackbeard? Blackbeard! Keep pushing left! Hey, you got a speed roller on you?
Speed roller? No.
Fuck, you got any ammo?
Yeah, I got it. Come over the hill, come over the hill. Right here, right here.
Right here, copy. Moving up. Ugh. Fuck.
What now? Hit.
Medic!
Round eight, hit. Down it, hit.
Group leaders down!
Down, need medic.
Blackbeard! I'm gonna need you on my 6! Blackbeard, I'm pinned down! Fuck. Ugh. Right, coming up, coming up. Fuck. Group leaders down! Oh, shit. Out! 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 Fuck, that got me good.
Back right. Go that way.
Oh, fuck that. Fuck that. Fuck that. Fuck that. Hey, bad spot to be. They're firing down my. Hey, make sure you get that flank. Go, 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 go.
Off that side, they're gonna flank us.
Copy that. Come on, you man. Oh, fuck. Oh. He's...
Contact left.
Hit, hit. So what would you yell? You medic? Medic! Ugh. Shit. We're not allowed to say anything if we're dead, right?
Hit.
Medic! Shit, push up, dude, push up. He's like right there.
Medic, run, run, don't run, let's go.
Yeah, so he didn't care about us right now, dude.
Damn, fuck. Next round.
Yeah, we need the radius.
Next round.
Oh, you guys brought radios?
Let's go.
Oh, hell yeah.
All right, let's go. 60.
Yeah, but I think we should give a radio to the other team.
Hey, Nathan. See this bridge right here? I'd rather have it.
Yeah, no, the radio the other team, so we're like, hey, ready to go.
Sets up on that rig. We can just watch the wind. No, because not on this rig. It's you'll be. Watch this. I'll show you. Alright, let's just go. Too far? I would say it's too far. What? Set up on the ridge line so you know the field is going to get past.
Oh, I'm sorry, I'm a dick for doing that.
That's where they're going.
All right, guys, do a little jog up there. They're gonna get to it first. Go, go, go. Stay down. Contact, 12 o'clock. Come up the middle. Hey, You guys need to flank left right now.
Fuck, they're right there, dude. They're right there.
Fuck safety.
Alright, we need to move up on this ridge line right there.
All right, you're the faster runner, dude.
We need to move up on the ridge line. We need to get an eye on that flag. We can't let them grab it.
I got covered. Go, go, go. Move it up, right behind you. Hey, they're falling back.
They're running. Somebody grab it.
They got it? Where the fuck is it?
They are running. Somebody grab that. We lost our window.
Hey, we all got the fast guy coming up. I can't get that flag, man.
Oh, shit. We got somebody. Watch this. I don't get that range of this shit.
Hey, I'm taking it left.
We got 3 people going left.
All right, I'm on it.
Shit.
Shit.
We got 3 people going left. Everybody left.
We got one guy right there.
Yeah, I know. Just leave one guy.
Okay.
This is a very strategic position because we're walking.
Guy going right. Towards the road. Keep the eye on the dirt. What's his face's name? Matt? Matt! Watch right, watch right.
We got Philly moving. Hey! Contact left! Contact left! Got him over the hill! Contact left!
They're pushing back!
We need to get something.
Where the fuck's that flag? Oh shit, friendlies? Hey, friendlies!
What are you doing? I said go around the count. What the fuck?
Friendlies count? I'm pretty sure. We got it.
Good job, Matt.
Alright. Alright, I see it. Hey.
I'm thinking about just yelling.
Yelling it?
Help!
Hey, reload! I got you, go! Hey! Woo! Alright, right now, go. Wait, one guy's right, one guy. Oh, shit. Fuck! Go! We win, dude. We win.
So wait, is this what is this?
Capture flag.
Get the
Who's
flag,
the fastest runner? I am not the fastest runner. All right, you guys.